What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and listen, I'm going to say it right now, happy Thanksgiving. Make sure you enjoy family and friends and loved ones. We're just trying to get you set up for the weekend, people, because looking good is definitely important. All right, with that being said, let's check out this awesome watch face. This developer really got down on this. And even before we get started, I'm giving this one 4 thumbs up in the door for creativity and for the design. Now, the name of the watch face is called Pakery Chameleon. Very nice looking analog watch face, screams luxury all day long. The name of the developer that created this one goes by Woojin Wang. He got down. He lit this one up, people. Now, even in the always on mode, you're going to still get a nice luxury look and theme, even in the AOD mode. Now, once the watch face is on, you are going to get a few dials. You're going to get your step right here at the top, battery info right here, also your heart rate down at the bottom, and you can't see it right now, but that's going to be your day and your date, and it is inactive. So if I want to go into my calendar, I just simply single tap and I can go into that. Same thing with my steps, because I know you're concerned about your step status info. Although you're out with family and friends, you might want to keep up with your calories burned, your steps. This watch face have you covered. Okay, if you need to know your battery info, there you go right there. And for your heart rate information, single tap and you can go off into that application to get more status reading of your heart rate. Now, also what you could do is double tap and you can change the background theme to 2 different colors. That's it, that's all. But it's still an awesome looking analog watch face. Now, what I like about the watch face overall is that you see the themes in the hand, those change every single day for 7 days. Yes, I said it, every single day. So does the second hand. This watch face is on point and definitely worth the download. But at the end of the day, people, it's going to be totally up to you. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. Now, for those of you all who are going to be dressing super casual this weekend, then this watch face just might be for you. Or if you just simply like a nice digital watch face, this one, it's pretty decent. Now, the name of the watch face is called Pakery Lux Digital. Now, in the AOD mode, it's going to be in the black theme mode. You're pretty much going to get all the information that you would normally get when the watch face is on, which I thought was pretty cool. So even at a glance, you'll still be able to get your step information, the time, the date, all the important information that you seek. Now, when the watch face is on, up at the top, you're going to get the day of the week. Right up under it, you will get your step info. Miles walked or ran over here, along with your heart rate. Nice big bold digital time, the date. Down at the bottom, you will get your battery percentage and a moon phase. And it is inactive, so if I tap on the moon phase, I can go into my settings. And you can tweak your watch however you see fit. And around the bezel of the watch, you can go into your messages, go into your calendar, set an event, hit your music player, play your jams, make a phone call, and you can set an alarm on this watch face. So this is pretty decent. I like the look. The layout is pretty nice. It gives you all the information you need. You don't have to really tap into anything. And if I double tap, I can change the theme that's going around the bezel of the watch, which gives the watch face a whole new design for the most part. And you get about 9 different color themes to change to. So let's cycle through just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. So it's not a bad look at all for those of you all who like digital. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of these 2 watch faces. Again, make sure you enjoy your holiday weekend. Be safe, eat well, have fun with family and friends. And I'll see you all at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And with that, people, enjoy.